guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your white Vans perfectly. I know they can get very dirty very quickly, and that's why I'm going to be teaching you how to clean them in a couple easy steps. So just keep on watching if you want your Vans to be perfectly pearly white and clean, brand new. Let's get started. So you'll be needing dish soap, detergent, a scrubby brush, and hot water. So right now I'm dipping my scrubby brush in the bucket of hot water and I'm just scrubbing away at my shoe with the detergent, and yeah, just go ahead and scrub. I'm also adding some OxyClean just because the stains are very hard to remove just because they're so dirty. But so far I got this one to look like this. This one's still very dirty though, and I'm going to be cleaning that one. But yes guys, this is what they're looking like so far. Okay, so now I'm just going to dump all of the water out. Whew. Be careful when you do this. Alright, now I'm just going to get the shoe and wash all the soap out of it, just like that. And you'll see that it gets really sudsy in the middle, so you got to wash that out like a couple separate times. But yeah, it's clean. So don't forget to leave your shoes outside to dry. You can put some newspaper or paper towel in them and leave them outside, or just let them air dry in your house. It really just depends on the weather you have, or whether it's like nighttime or daytime. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.